guys, we're on the auto train. Wow, we're on the auto train. It's moving.
Yeah, those are all the cars. I think they hooked them to us. To the back of this.
Dang, this train is gonna be very. Are these the cars with the car? Are these the train cars with the cars in them?
Yes.
This is so cool. I've never been on an auto train. Look at this. It even has plugs. No train has plugs in them. Why did we stop? Yeah, Mom tried to go outside, tried to buy a pillow, one of those neck pillows. We go downstairs, and it says, "Please do not open the door, danger." And then,
Oh no, we're not.
and then me and her went in the bathroom. And I used the bathroom. When I came out, both lights went off, and she was in the bathroom washing her hands in the dark.
Oh, I see.
Ha ha ha.
Dominic, how do you switch the camera around? Like,
I don't know. I don't think you can do it.
See the camera flip thing right there?
Yeah, click it. I don't know. Your phone is just crazy. Also, Austin, if you watch this, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going to Florida. Forgot to say goodbye. I wanted to go to your house, but you weren't there. You were at school, so sorry. Just giving a shout out to you. What's wrong with your phone? Guys, you want to see something crazy? 1 second. Oh snap, it fell off. 1 second, guys. Here, guys, look what happened to my phone. Watch.
What is wrong with my fingers?
Yeah, sucks. Yeah, they just boarded everything, so we're really just sitting here waiting for the train to get a move on, so I'll see you guys when the train starts moving again. See ya.